So hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So let's discuss today about the hiring. Currently, Microsoft is hiring for the software engineer role. Okay, so let's discuss what all the responsibilities. Here, work with appropriate stakeholders to determine user requirements for a set of features. Okay, so contribute to the identification of dependencies and the development of design documents for an area for our highly available, globally distributed services. Create and implement code for a product, service, or feature, reusing code as applicable to solve complex engineering challenges in data management, performance, durability, scale, and security and resilience. Collaborate with engineers across Azure to deliver seamless data resiliency, integration, and continuously improve reliability, cost efficiency, and customer experience. Okay. Act as a designated responsible individual in monitoring system, product feature, service for a degradation, downtime, or interruption for simple problems and recommend action to restore system. Okay, so these all are the responsibility. Review current developments and proactively seek new knowledge that will improve the availability, reliability, efficiency, and observability. Okay, and performance of products while also driving consistency in monitoring and operation at scale. So, what all the required qualification for this? So, bachelor degree in computer science or related technical discipline. Okay, and coding in languages including but not limited to C, C++, C, or Java, JavaScript. Okay, object-oriented programming or managed code. This is the requirement. 1+ years of professional software engineering experience in designing, building, and testing services. Other requirements, if you have, then it's fine, like ability to meet Microsoft customer or government security screening requirements are required for this role. Okay, and it's a preferred qualification. If you have, then also fine. If you don't have, then also it's fine. Like bachelor degree in computer science or related technical field, and 1+ years technical engineering experience with coding in language, like if you have C, C++, visa. So it's fine for you. Or if you have master degree in computer science or related technical field, so this is good. So this is also a very good opportunity. So those who are good fit for this opportunity, so please go and apply for this. Next update is from the Oracle. Okay. So Oracle is currently hiring for the software developer role. So here location is the Bangalore, and experience 0 to 2+ years experience is the requirement. So if you have experience, then it's fine for you. Category, you can see product development category they are looking for. So let's discuss the what all the responsibilities here. As a software developer, design, develop, troubleshoot, and debug software programs. Okay. Work on databases, applications, tools, networks, and system software. Build enhancement within an existing software architecture and collaborate with senior engineers to implement features based on design specifications, or apply foundational software architecture concepts in real projects. So these are the responsibility which you have to perform there. Okay. So this role focuses on learning by doing, making it well suited for fresh graduates and junior developers. And let's discuss the eligibility and qualifications. So here entry level career is required, and education, if you can see here, like bachelor degree or equivalent in computer science or related field. Experience like 0 to 2 years in software development. If you have experience, then also fine. If you don't have, then also you can apply for this. A strong understanding of programming like fundamentals and good communication skills. English is the mandatory. Okay. So this is also a very good opportunity, those who are looking for the software developer. So please go and apply for this as well. Next update is from the Deloitte. This is basically hiring for the consultant role. Okay. So here your work profile will be design and implement end-to-end data analytics solutions and dashboard using Power BI or equivalent tools. So this is the requirement here. If you have knowledge in the Power BI, then it's a good opportunity for you. Work with PostgreSQL, MongoDB, and Elasticsearch for data extraction, transformation, and analysis. Develop and maintain ETL pipelines for structured and unstructured data. Okay, and implement predictive and AI ML based analytics using tools like TensorFlow, PyTorch, or cloud-based AI services. So please go through these all the details which mentioned here. This is also a very good opportunity. Okay, so please go and apply as soon as possible. That's all for today. If you like this video, so please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.